Smartgiant Technology is a leading provider of test and measurement, AI visual inspection technologies and solutions, integrating services of research and development, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales maintenance. Smartgiant was established in 2005 and successfully completed its listing on the Science and Technology Innovation Board of the Shanghai Stock Exchange. At present, our main products are FPGA controller and modular instrument series, Horus AI camera series, Argos barcode scanner, edge computer and industrial computer. Besides, we also offer customized development services. Smartgiant has a dedicated R&D team with over 200 engineers, headquartered in Guangzhou, and established branches and offices in Shenzhen, Shanghai, Changsha, Hong Kong, and the United States. To ensure high quality and timely delivery of products and services, we have offices, R&D labs, and factories in Guangzhou, covering an area of nearly 10,000 square meters, with advanced electronics labs, optical darkrooms, calibration rooms, high-temperature aging rooms, SMT, ATS production workshops, and automated assembly workshops, etc. We also have strict production environment and past relevant certifications such as ISO 9001, 14001, and 27001. Over the years, we have worked with and supported many global companies and gained a reliable reputation because of professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers, agents, integrators, and engineers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.